Hello, AI enthusiasts, and welcome to AI for the People, where we explore the fascinating world of AI. I'm your host.
And I'm the AI expert here to break it all down.
Today, we're going deep on AI in action.
That's right. We're ditching the hypotheticals and diving into the real-world applications that are already changing the game.
So if you're ready to see how AI is shaping the world around us, buckle up.
Let's get started.
Okay, so first up, let's talk about something that's pretty mind-blowing. AI in mental health care.
Okay.
I was reading about this company, CerebraAI,
Uh-huh.
and they've developed a tool that can actually analyze speech patterns to detect potential mental health issues.
Fascinating stuff, right? I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
We usually rely on people's self-reporting or those subjective questionnaires, which, let's face it, aren't always the most reliable.
No, not at all.
But with this AI tool, you can bypass all that.
Wow.
It's like it can hear those subtle cues in our speech.
Really?
Like tone pacing, even certain words we use.
So it's not like it's actually understanding what we're saying, but more like how we're saying it.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It's picking up on those patterns that we might not even be aware of.
That's incredible. So what kind of things can it detect?
Well, researchers have found that certain speech patterns are correlated with specific mental health conditions.
For example?
For instance, someone who's experiencing anxiety might speak faster with more variations in their pitch,
Oh, I see.
whereas someone with depression might use fewer words and speak in a monotone.
It's like having a window into someone's emotional state.
In a way, yes. It's giving us insights that we've never had before.
This could be revolutionary for early intervention.
Absolutely. Early detection is key when it comes to mental health.
But of course, no technology is perfect. What are some of the limitations of this?
Well, you're right. Like any new technology, it's important to be cautious.
Of course.
There was a really interesting article in Nature Medicine recently that discussed this.
Oh, really?
They talked about how the algorithms are still being refined and how important it is to make sure they're accurate across diverse populations.
It makes sense. We can't just assume one size fits all.
Exactly. And it's crucial to remember that this tool is meant to be one piece of the puzzle, not a standalone diagnosis.
Right. It's all about giving healthcare professionals more information
Precisely.
to make better informed decisions.
That's the goal.
Okay, so moving on from mental health care, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Okay. I'm intrigued.
AI that can predict the future of cryptocurrency.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard about this company, QuantumTrade?
I have, actually. Wired did a fascinating deep dive into their methods recently.
They claim a 75% accuracy rate in predicting cryptocurrency trends.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive stuff. They're using machine learning to analyze mountains of data.
Like what kind of data?
Everything. Market trends, news sentiment, social media activity.
Wow.
Basically anything that could potentially influence cryptocurrency prices.
So it's like having an army of analysts working 24/7, just crunching numbers and looking for patterns.
You could say that. But it's important to remember that the crypto market is incredibly volatile.
Oh, absolutely.
Even with the most sophisticated AI, there's always going to be an element of risk.
That's the nature of the beast, I guess.
Exactly. But still, 75% accuracy is nothing to sneeze at.
No,
Yeah.
it's not. It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Definitely.
Okay, so let's shift gears a bit now and talk about something a little more down-to-earth agriculture.
Okay, sounds good.
Specifically, how AI is being used to tackle one of the biggest challenges facing farmers' weeds.
Oh yeah, those pesky weeds.
John Deere has developed this incredible system called the See and Spray Ultimate.
I've heard of this. It's pretty groundbreaking.
So imagine a farmer driving across their field, and this system using AI and cameras can actually differentiate between crops and weeds.
In real time.
Yes, and then it targets individual weeds with herbicide.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's like laser-focused weed whacking.
Right.
TechCrunch had an article about this, and they said it can reduce herbicide use by up to 90%.
That's massive. Not just for the farmer's bottom line, but also for the environment.
Absolutely. So how does it actually work?
Well, it uses a combination of AI and computer vision.
Uh-huh.
So the cameras capture images of the plants, and then the AI algorithms analyze those images to identify which ones are weeds.
It's amazing how far this technology has come.
It really is.
Okay, so from fields to the ocean depths.
Okay.
I've always been fascinated by the mysteries of the deep sea.
Me too. It's like another world down there.
And now AI is helping us explore it like never before.
That's right, Boston Dynamics.
Those are the robot dog people, right?
Yep, they've partnered with the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution to create an AI-powered underwater robot.
So it's not just a remote-controlled drone.
No, this thing is autonomous.
Wow.
It uses sensors and algorithms to navigate the seafloor, collect samples, even identify marine life.
It's like sending a robot explorer down there.
Exactly. And just like with space exploration, the discoveries we make in the deep sea could have huge implications for our understanding of Earth's climate, biodiversity, even new resources.
It's mind-blowing to think about what we might find down there.
I know, it's a whole new frontier.
Okay, so let's switch gears again and talk about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, education.
Great topic.
We all know how important it is to have access to quality learning, but unfortunately, opportunities aren't always equal.
That's true.
So is there a role for AI in bridging that gap?
Absolutely. Khan Academy is doing some really innovative work in this area.
I've heard of them. What are they doing?
They're using AI for personalized learning. They've developed algorithms that can identify each student's strengths and weaknesses,
Really?
and then tailor the educational content and pace to their specific needs.
So it's like having a personal tutor for every student.
That's the idea.
That's amazing. How does it actually work?
Well, the AI constantly monitors the student's progress
Wow.
and adjusts the difficulty level accordingly.
So if a student is struggling in a particular area, it will provide extra support.
Exactly. And if they're excelling, it will challenge them with more advanced material.
It's all about meeting each learner where they are and helping them reach their full potential.
Precisely.
It's incredible to think how this technology could revolutionize education.
It has the potential to level the playing field like never before.
Speaking of leveling up, let's talk about something that affects pretty much everyone: delivery times.
Okay, I'm all ears.
I don't know about you, but I'm always eager to get my packages as quickly as possible.
Me too. Who isn't?
Well, get ready for this. DHL is partnering with IBM
Okay.
to use quantum computing.
Quantum computing.
Yes, for route optimization.
Wow, that's next level.
So I know quantum computing is a pretty complex topic.
It is. It's mind-boggling, really.
Can you give us a simplified explanation of how it works?
Sure. So while traditional computers store information as bits,
Which are either 0 or 1.
right, quantum computers use qubits.
And what are those?
Qubits can be 0, 1, or both at the same time.
It's both at the same time.
Yeah. It's a bit hard to wrap your head around, but essentially it allows them to perform calculations much faster than traditional computers.
Okay, so how does this apply to package delivery?
Well, imagine this. Quantum computers can analyze a massive number of possibilities simultaneously. So they can factor in things like traffic patterns, weather conditions, fuel efficiency, all in real time
Good.
to find the absolute fastest and most cost-effective delivery route.
It's like having a superpowered GPS for every package.
Pretty much. It's revolutionary stuff.
So we've covered AI improving healthcare, predicting financial markets, optimizing agriculture, exploring the ocean depths, personalizing education, and revolutionizing logistics.
It's pretty amazing, right?
It's mind-boggling to think about how rapidly this technology is evolving.
And we're really just scratching the surface.
What AI development has you most excited, or perhaps a little apprehensive? Let us know in the comments.
We'd love to hear your thoughts.
And join us next week for another deep dive into the ever-evolving world of AI.
Until then, stay curious.
And keep exploring.